Hi, this is Jonathan Clark, and this is the third video in the series of how to use the Zoom platform. So in this video, we're going to take a look at your meeting settings. We're going to go to My Account, and you're going to have a number of default settings available to you. Now, in most cases, you can start using the system with the default settings. One thing you'll want to pay attention to, though, is whether you want your visitors to chat during the meetings. Now, again, when you do this, this is going to set up all your default settings for all of your online meetings. So you'll want to determine how you want to interact with individuals on your meetings right up front. If you have individuals participating with you, you want to determine whether you're going to allow them to use the annotations tools on the shared screens. You can turn this feature off by default, and then you'll be the only one who can add notes to your screen or use the whiteboard function and all that sort of stuff. Now, if you want to add in the meeting room feature, you can do that here in this screen as well. All you need to do is turn that meeting rooms button on. That setting will be updated, and then your breakout rooms will then be available on your webinars or your meetings. Now, although you'll go through all of the settings to determine how to customize your individual system, the most important one will be your email notifications. You can have emails go out when attendees join before the host does, and emails to go out when the meeting is cancelled. Now, these are going to be set by default, and you can turn these on or off anytime you want. You'll also want to look at the recording tab, and you'll notice that in each case, you're going to be creating a local recording, which means the recorded conference call is going to be saved on your hard drive. Now, if you have the paid version, the paid plan, you're going to have access to a cloud-based storage system. You can also make sure that your webinars are going to be automatically recorded whenever you have one, and that means that you'll need to turn this automatic recording function on. If you want to make sure that individuals know they're being recorded, you can click a button here. This will then prompt individuals to make sure they consent to being recorded before your meeting actually starts. You can have individuals notified by audio that they're being recorded when you turn on this feature too. Okay, hope that helps, and I will see you in the next Zoom tutorial video.